Hey, what are you saying?
Snipers, no sniping!
It's you just like halfway down the field.
Oh god, what have I
Just
done?
shooting at nothing.
I reckon I might actually be able to hit something.
No.
I just lob it like artillery.
Yeah.
Use the curvature of the air.
Yeah, just aim up.
Well, considering I'm like...
I just realised though, this might be a little bit spicy now because it's a fresh house.
That's fine. Ooh!
Wait, have you shot it yet?
No.
Don't point it at people.
The safety's on that way.
Is it? Wait, where's this one?
Where did it go?
Oh no! You got it? Is it good?
Just immediately.
I like it how you done what I do.
Safe.
Half an hour. Don't go through everything in the first half hour. Let's wear them down, yeah? Because our first objective is in the hay bales.
Oh.
There's a really nice dummy hanging out the window.
You want to stop at the tree line or you want to take
Tree line.
you want to take bales?
Yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to hit in the tree line, hold the centre of the field, because then we've got 3 flags, constantly scoring. And then we're going to get to the tree line, push through into Supper, into the town, get the dummy, and then we want to get it done in the first hour, because if we can, then we can forget about that and start focusing on the flags.
Yep, cool.
Alright, it's going to be...
hard graft, but
Yeah.
worth it.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, it is. You're the perfect cover, my friend. We just pushed with you.
You will be the all-important first attack wave, which we will call Operation Human Shield.
Hey, wait a minute!
It feels like you're jerking off Kermit the Frog. Try to get rid of it.
Oh, no.
I've got something a bit more correct. Big black one.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah. Sorry.
See, what I do is a mad dash forwards where the adrenaline's going so hot.
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh man.
Oh, that was close.
Bullshit.
That was also close. Just a little bit more this way. Don't hit me in the centre mass. Have a nice day.
Do we speak like this? Is this how you speak now? I thought that would hurt though if you got shot right there. Really? You reckon?
I'll wear my own bobbin on my right arm so I can say for mein Führer.
Auf der Heide blüht ein kleines Blümelein.
Mein Führer.
My Führer.
It's the most Bulgarian.
Fuck! Do I win? Did I win? Do I get anything for that?
You dropped like a sack of shit.
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
Get some grips on your trainers, boss man.
yeah, no. Oh man. Bro, I just went. I just gone. Oh,
Just like one loose step.
bro, my hip. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Every time I do something paintball, airsoft, I fall over. Crabs, give me the Krabby Patty secret formula now. Crabs, I swear I ain't playing around. Give me the Krabby Patty secret formula.
You should have heard like Jack when I did my goofy impression on the platform at the train station. It was just like,
They're in the trees.
so yeah. Speak to the trees. And for some goddamn reason,
They're
they're speaking
speaking.
fucking Vietnamese.
I love that video.
So yeah, guys, the flag is on the orange cone, which is just by the middle flagpole.
Alright, cool. Fuck it, I'll run for it. See if we get it.
You got this.
Just gonna go. Where the red flag is, or the blue one? There? Shit, if I can get there. Run! Oh, I'm out of breath. Oh. I promise I'm in shape.
It's false. No way. Not this time. We created it. Not this time. No, not this time. It's totally made up.
I don't want to shoot Sam. The thing is, where are we?
Yeah, but if you shoot Sam, I don't think he'll realise that you've shot him.
Matt, call your hits. Matt, call your fucking hits. Everyone just pull Sam, stay there. Don't move. Just stay there, Sam. Don't move. On your knees.
He's plotting his revenge. You can't see it, but he.
There's the epitome of the song. F is for friends who first got together. Keep walking like everything's normal. Billy, stop there. Stop. Get on your knees.
I beg your pardon.
Oh god, that hurt.
Whoa!
See, once my knees get to about there, they start speaking to me. They're like, "You need to stop. You just need to stop." Like when it's like, "You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy."
I'm trying to get Sam.
Oh, you get.
I need to know names.
Oh shit. Fuck it.
Might give up. Might give up.
You went out. And we shoot him because he's got an off-road.
Well, it's got the Kevlar in it. It doesn't have the hard plates.
So you got pistols rated?
Yeah, up to 9 mil.
He's even got them sharp scissors in case someone actually gets shot and you need to like cut someone open.
Can't really get them out though, can't lie. It's alright.
Who got scissors? Me, but I can't.
It's alright, if need be, I've got my trauma kit at home.
Oh, it's gonna be hectic.
Well, they just gave one to you this morning. Done.
Oh yeah. No, I asked Billy. He was like, "Yeah, it's fine." So did Mateo. To bed. Mateo's like, "Yeah."
Yeah, always unlimited lives. Yeah, you respawn unless there's a walking respawn. As far as we're aware, yes, it's a real fucking ball. Especially in this time. It's got a Valhalla profile.
I feel like I'm going to war. Or we're summoning a kaiju or something, you know.
Should have kept it going.
Carry on! We all need to be fucking banging.
The Sabaton won't be too bad.
Everyone get a plank of wood.
I'm counting. Oh, whoops. Do you reckon I would add drag? Nothing. What? Nothing. You're good. I want to see how long that stays in there actually. Now.
Bye.